Hi, my name's Brad Armstrong with MarineMax in Lake Hopatcong, New Jersey. I want to show you today our brand new 2024 SPX 210 IO. It comes in Sea Ray blue and it has a sports tower, a 4.5 MerCruiser 250 engine, and it comes with an interior stone and gray sea decking. And on the interior of our SPX 210, we have this aft-facing lounger, which is a comfortable seat where you can watch the action on the lake. And we also have great storage locker that you can put your lines and your bumpers in. Also has a standard battery switch. And we have another cooler locker that you can use as a cooler, or a lot of people like to store their shoes and their flip-flops. And on this boat, there's so much storage. There's another really big cooler, and you can store beverages on there or use it as just regular storage. And the engine compartment, this comes with a 250 MerCruiser. And on the starboard side of the boat, we have a retractable seat, or you can face forward, or you can be a spotter for water skiing or tubing. And in the helm, we have a Simrad display, and we have a fusion head gauge for the stereo system. And here on the helm, we have a captain's seat, extremely comfortable, Simrad display, and we have a fusion stereo head unit. And also we have the bolster seat, which you can sit here and overlook this, and you can look over the windshield. And on the inside of the bow, along with the bow filler cushion, new for the 2024 SPX 210, is the insertable backrest. This gives a little extra room and more of a couch-type feel. Give us a call. My name's Brad Armstrong at MarineMax in Lake Hopatcong. Give me a call at 973-222-0979. Hope to hear from you soon.